In October 2014, a group of 12 students represented the University of Pittsburgh's Humanities, Engineering, and Design Club and traveled from Pittsburgh to the La Paz community in Panama. La Paz is a small community of 1,000 people and is located north of Panama City. The community has no running water or indoor plumbing, and the water that is delivered to the community is extremely unreliable. We had been preparing for the harsh working conditions and low quality of life in La Paz, but with our first steps off the bus, we knew that we would be changing the lives of the people in this community.
Before it goes from bad to feeling worse, I turn off my phone, I get down low, and put my hands in the dirt.
Our team spent the month of September designing the water distribution system, water storage tank, and septic system. In October, Pitt Head traveled to Panama and spent 8 days working on the construction of our projects. We worked with the La Paz residents to dig trenches, tie rebar, lay concrete, lay pipe, and move forward in the septic tank design. Our water storage tank was designed to hold 25,000 gallons of water that would be pumped from a tank that was built by a previous Pitt Heads group. The tank was built at the highest point in the community and designed to distribute water to the homes in La Paz using gravity. The tank will feed over 3,000 feet of pipe and will deliver the water to over 130 homes.
The taller we grow, we lose sight of the land below, where you can have your place up in outer space. 'Cause my home is where my food is grown. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to work. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back. All right, let's get Jurassic on this bridge. We are at the bottom of the ocean, now we're swinging from the tops of the trees. Oh, we are animals. We are wild. And to truly be forgiven, we must all get back to living with the land in harmony. I'm going back to the earth.
A septic tank was also designed to be installed in the neighboring community of Cunanega. The students, while not being able to begin construction of the septic tank due to time constraints, took measurements and surveyed the area for design before turning over their designs to our client to begin construction at a later date.
I'm going back to work. I'm going back to two more times around. One more time around the I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to work. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back. All right, let's get
We arrived in Panama as engineering students, and 10 days later left as engineers with real-life experience. We were enlightened by the conditions that people face on an everyday basis and learned to appreciate the most basic aspects we have in our own lives.
We are animals. We are wild. And to truly be forgiven, we must all get back to living with the land in harmony. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to work. I'm going back to the earth. Ooh.